Welcome back to my first video. In today's video, I'm going to read a story about Ben learns to forage. Little bird Ben was very lazy. He did nothing but ate, played, and slept each day. All his friends went to learn foraging, but he did not go. His friends asked him, Ben, don't you learn with us? Ben said, it's useless to learn those things. I have my parents to give me food. I don't need to learn, but you are a bird. If you can forage, how do you live in the future? The friends continued. Ben said impatiently, I am tired of it. No, I just don't learn. I am going to eat delicious food. His friends shook their heads and sighed. Then they went to practice. Oh. Foraging in water. Ben was tasting delicious food alone, stretching himself for time to time and muttering, Look at how stupid they are. With so many delicious foods to eat, they learn useless things I really don't understand. After a month, all his friends have mastered to forage in the water. Ben, how? Wow, how did you get so fat? We have mastered foraging in the water. You see, his friends jumped and said, Ben, opened his sleepy eyes and said, You are so noisy, I can do it, and I won't learn. It's none of your business that how fat I am. I don't care either. Go away. It's really annoying to disturb my good dream and my delicious food. His friend helplessly turned around and flew away. Ben yawned and went to sleep. One day, Ben parents went away on a long trip, leaving Ben alone. The food left by the bird's parents was eaten up in a short time. Ben watched other birds easily forage for food in the water. In order to eat food, he also had to try it. As a result, Ben, who arrived at the shore, saw that the food was still a little distance away and began to fly with his wings spread. As soon as he reached the top of the fort, he began to try to catch the foot but fell into the water with a sploosh. His friends heard the sound and rushed to rescue him. Ben thanked them for saving his life, blushed at the thought of his previous attitude. He whispered, I am sorry about that. Thanks for saving me. I was wrong. I want to learn from you about foraging in the water. Can you teach me? His friend said, Of course, we can. It's just Ben bowed his head and said, Just what? You have to lose weight first. Otherwise, how can you learn with your round belly? His friends laughed and said, Ha 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 ha. Ben, we are joking with you. Come on, we will teach you how to forage for food in the water. Ben fell into the water time and time again in the process of learning, but he did not slack off and kept practicing. Ben parents were surprised when they came back. Ben finally began to learn the false place. So it's enough for today, guys, and please subscribe to my channel and also subscribe to my another channel, Gaming with Astro. Bye. Take care.